hope you all are fine. Welcome to Sowjanya pre-primary class. Today our subject is EVS and our topic is sense organs. Sense organs means it will do some work in our body. Yes, those sense organs will be there in our body. Where it will be there? In our body only. The sense organs will be there in our body. I'll show you those sense organs to you now. Okay, children? Yeah. Eyes. What are these? Eyes. Nose. Tongue. Ears. And skin. What are the sense organs? Eyes. Nose. Tongue. Ears. And skin. These are the 5 sense organs we have in our body. Yeah, how many sense organs? 5. Yeah, first I'll tell you about the eyes. Today, now I am going to tell about the eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see the objects. What we do with our eyes? We'll see the objects. See, I kept here so many objects. How I know these are so many objects? Yes, by seeing with my eyes. By seeing with my eyes, I can tell here so many objects are there. See, I have here flowers. Here, what is this? Headset is there. Tomato is there. Some glasses are there. Bell is there. Lemon is there. Perfume bottle is there. How you know these all are there? By seeing with our eyes. By seeing with our eyes, we can say these all objects are here. Yeah? And what do we do with our eyes? We'll see. Yes. And how many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. And what I'll do with my eyes? I'll see the objects with my eyes. And I'll do one more thing. What we'll do? We'll keep goggles also, no? We'll keep goggles to our eyes. Yeah? When you're going out, we'll keep goggles, no? We'll keep goggles to your eyes? Yes, we'll keep goggles also to our eyes. Okay, children? Now, we'll go for the next sense organ. What is the next sense organ? Nose. What is the next sense organ? Nose. What the nose will do? Tell me. Yes, it will smell. What the nose will do? It will smell. How it will smell? If your mommy is preparing something to you, then how you know she was preparing? By smelling. By smelling with your nose, you can say, yeah, my mother is preparing for me something. Yeah? Yes. And see the flowers. See the flowers. Wow, the flower smell is super. How you can say? By with smell with your nose, we can tell the flowers are smelling good. And see, I have perfume here. Did perfume will give good smell? How you will know? With smelling. See. Wow, super. Yes. Super smell. How you can say it was smelling good? By our nose. Our nose will tell us it was getting good smell. Yeah. Who will tell the smell to our body? Yes, nose. Nose will tell for us. What is the next sense organ? Tongue. What is the next sense organ? Tongue. Yeah. What the tongue will do? Tongue will do the taste. Tongue will tell about the taste. Mummy, she prepared something and she brought to you. Then after you are eating, what you say? Mummy, it's very yummy. Super taste. You will tell like that, no? The mummy is prepared nice tiffins like pizzas, burgers, and she prepared for you. What you say? Amma, it's very super nice taste. You will tell like that? Yeah. How you will tell? Our tongue will tell us. Yeah, the taste is super. See children, I have chocolate with me. I'll eat this chocolate. Yeah. What is the taste of the chocolate? Sweet. What is the taste of the chocolate? Sweet. How you can say it is sweet? By tasting with our tongue. By tasting with our tongue, we can say the chocolate is sweet. Yeah. What is this? Lemon. What is the taste of the lemon? It's sour. What is the taste of the lemon? Sour. How you can say it is sour? By tasting with our tongue. How you can say it is sour? Yes. By tasting with our tongue. And what is this? Children, tell me, can you say what is this? Yeah, it's chili. It's chili. Yeah. What is the taste of the chili? What is the taste of the chili? Hot. Hot. How you can say it's hot? By tasting. How you can say it is hot? Yeah, by tasting. What we do with our tongue? Yes, we'll taste with our tongue. What we do with our tongue? We'll taste. Next, we'll go to one more sense organ. Okay, children. Next, our sense organ is ears. What are these? Ears. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. 1, 2. We have 2 ears. And what we do with our ears? We'll hear the sounds. Now I am telling something to you. How you can listen? How you can hear? Yes, with your ears. How you can hear? With your ears, you can hear the sounds. See? What is this sound? Yeah, bell. How you can say, I am just ringing the bell? By hearing the sound. With hearing the sound, you can say that I was ringing the bell. Who was hearing? Your ears. Your ears are hearing. See, I am doing one more sound. What's the sound? Who is sounding here? Yes, whistle. Who is sounding? Whistle. You are getting sound, no? Who is hearing? Yes, your ears are hearing. Will you listen songs? Will you listen songs? Yes, you will listen songs. With what? You have cell phones in your houses, no? We'll put the headphones. Yes. We'll put the headphones and we'll hear the songs. Then, for what will keep the headphones? Ears. Why? Because ears will listen the sound. That's why we'll put headphones to the ears. Okay, children? Yeah. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. I have 2 ears. And what we do with your ears? We hear the sounds. We hear the sounds. Yes. Now, what is the last and next sense organ? Skin. Skin. What is this? Skin. For our whole body, for full body will be having skin. Yeah. See, for every part, here we have skin. See, here for the face we have skin. For legs we have skin. For neck we have skin. For whole body, the skin will be there. What the skin will do? It will feel. What the skin will do? It will feel. How? See, I am pinching on. See, I am getting pain. How I can say? Because my skin is feeling. How I can say? My skin is feeling. Next, I was clapping my hands. Now I am getting pain. See, my hands are feeling. My hands are feeling some pain. Yeah, if you beat on your hands, see, now you will get pain, no? Yeah, your mommy, if you are doing any wrong things, your mommy will beat you, no? At that time you will get pain, no? And you will cry like this. How you know you got a pain? Your skin will feel. If you fell down anywhere, you will get a hurts. Will get the hurts on the hands or legs, no? How you know that a pain? By feeling. Feeling. Who will feel? The skin will feel. Yeah. See, here I have some ice cubes with me. Yeah, see children, what are these? Ice cubes. Yeah. What are these? Ice cubes. See, ice cubes are very cold. Abba, it's very cold, Amma. See how we can say it is very cold. Our skin will feel. Our skin will feel. Abba, it's very cool. Yes. Who will feel? Skin. Who will feel? Skin. Yes. Who will feel in our body? The skin. Skin will be having to the full body. The skin will be having from head to the toes. From head to the toes, we'll have full body the skin. Okay children? Once again we'll repeat. Okay. How many sense organs do you have? 5 sense organs. How many sense organs? 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. What are those? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes and I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. And nose. What the nose will do? The nose will smell. The nose will smell. And tongue. What the tongue will do? Tongue will taste. What the tongue will do? It will taste. And what the ears will do? We can hear the sounds. What the ears can do? We can hear the sounds. And skin. What the skin can do? It will